Hey guys, this is Anesthetic. Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you two different methods that take a screenshot on your Windows 11 without third-party software. So before I start, make sure subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. First of all, I'm showing built-in keyboard shortcut. It is very simple. Press the Windows key and print screen together and screenshot full screen. So this screenshot, save it here on open this PC, go to the picture, then screenshot. As you can see, this screenshot showing here. Let's say I open Firefox and I need to take a screenshot this. So just press on Windows key and print screen key together. Yes, it screenshot take it. Just refreshing. Yeah, screenshot, save it to this folder. And second method is, I'll show you, just searching for Snipping Tool, SNIPPING, or just keyboard shortcut. Press Windows key, Shift and S together and open this screenshot menu. Here you can take screenshots for different mode. As you can see, this mode is rectangular, just like that. Yes, screenshot showed it. And another way you can show it's called freeform snip. Just you can rotate or anything movement. Just this is the screenshot. And next one is called Windows snip. When you open any of window, I'm opening this window, then taking a screenshot, Windows snip, and click on the window, and yeah, taking screenshot easily. And last one is the full screen. So taking screenshot, you can draw here with any of color. As you can see, you can choose red, and here is the highlighter. You can highlight anything. Then here is has eraser. So, and here is also roller, so you can use roller and you can move this ruler. And here is also protector, so you can compass 360 degree like that. So it's look like photo editor. So you can crop image from here. Okay, you can adjust, okay, just like that. And you can do undo and redo also here, undo and redo. And you can zoom in out, and also here save as three different format: PNG, JPEG and GIF. You can save anywhere on your locations, and you can copy from here and also share. This is the best software, comes with Windows 11. You don't need third-party software. So that's all. I'm showing you two different methods that you can take a screenshot on your Windows 11. So it's work with also Windows 10, I think, but I'm using right now Windows 11. So if you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on next.